Nwakego, you are the sweetest soup I've ever licked.
When are you coming to see my people, as you promised?
Don't worry. I don't trust me.
Well done, Udo and Nwakego.
Don't go and mind your business and be here saying we're done. Did you give us any job to do for you? You better go and meet that woman that knows how to handle you well than stay here and be saying what does not concern you.
You the son of unlucky witch.
Let's go, John.
Agona, how was today?
Guess who and who I saw coming out from the bush while coming back from farm today?
Agona, you know, I'm not good in guessing. Just go ahead and tell me, please.
I saw Udo and Nwakego adjusting their clothes, coming out from the bush and cuddling themselves.
Udo and who? Ogona, don't tell me they did that.
The way I saw them and the way they were behaving, I have no doubt they slept with her.
Ogona, and how can you possibly conclude that they did it?
You need to have seen them and the way they were behaving. Anyway, just eat up fast and hasten up so that we can go to moonlight dance.
Well, anyway, if you say so.
Be fast.
You say so. But when we get to that place this night, I will definitely ask him.
It's okay.
I will ask him.
It's fine.
You know, he's
just eat up.
He's a very good friend of mine. I will ask him. Udo of Orphan. I'm not Kego. In this our land.
Chidi, it's like you don't know how to knit.
Yes.
My grandmother taught me when I was still young in the village. Let's say you are lucky.
What do you mean? Udo? How did it go with you and Ego? Amam na nwa mi fa na ali.
Obinna, this your question is surprising, no?
Nah, that girl is really sweet. Could you believe that she is still a virgin? Yes.
Hey, wait. As in, Udo, you mean that Ego is still a virgin?
My brother, I wonder.
She is still a virgin because Udo, was the one who disvirgined her. And she is really sweet as honey from the comb.
Hey, Wanna, you are very lucky. Do you know that my girlfriend called Amaka? Here, her own is as wide as rabbit hole.
Omona, please let's leave this topic of women. Let's hurry up and finish this thing so that we go and check our tracks before others do it for us.
Better for us than to stay here and gossip about women all the times. It won't help our life in this village. It won't.
So you know.
I have to see Ogoni.
Good day, Ogonna.
Good day, my princess. And how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Let me hurry and get you something to sit down, please. No, my princess, stop that. It will hurt you. Please, stop
Don't
it.
worry.
No, please, stop it. Hey, my princess. This one you came to visit us. Hope I am safe and my family.
So what about one Nick and others?
Oh, Mama Nwaneka, Neche, went to carry the remaining palm nuts while Papa is inside resting.
I see. You know, I was caught by the melody of your flute the other day at the stream. I like the way you do it. I'll be on my way now. See you some other time.
Okay, no problem. Farewell. Wait, let me see you off.
Don't worry. You have a lot of work to do. Bye.
Thank you.
But first of all, I want to go inside bush. I will be back in a short time.
Be fast, though. Nwaneka, Biko, be fast. Something is biting me here.
I'm coming. I won't take much of your time.
Okay.
Look at him. What's the difference between you and a girl?
I wonder. Imagine the little thing he was carrying. You want to put it down and rest. Lazy goat like you. Look at you. Do you think it is killing one's parent? You, this mere wish. A flavor.
Please, let's go and leave it.
What happened there? And why are those girls laughing like Ogbanje? Ogonna, talk to me now. Since you don't want to talk to me, stand up, let's go. I don't know when talking to me became a crime. I don't know. What is it? What are you sniping my
Chikara, and I'm here to warn you not to step your foot in my land. And stop giving my people charm, because my land forbid it.
Mirigwe, as far as I know, that land is not your land. I still have part in that land. Stay off my path. Don't cross my way, or else I will teach you a lesson.
Do not say I did not warn you. Makanomna gora wata keja tajana, ya koraja ni neta.
Mirigwe, the flag that refuses to listen will always follow the corpse in the grave. Stop warning me. Stay off my path. Stay off my path.
Be warned and stay warned.
Mirigwe, you are here to warn me. Warn Ichikra. I still remain the chief priest of Oguwike, of Amogwe. You can't warn me. Stay off my path. Stay off my path!
Agonna! 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 Agonna!
Where has he gone to now? Where has he gone?
Agonna!
Oh, there you are. Ogonna. Why is your face like this, Ogo? Oh, Cherukwa. Don't tell me it's because of what happened earlier out there.
I was so ashamed of myself, as I've never been humiliated and embarrassed the way they did today. My male counterparts insult me, but even the female folks, girls, they do too.
Please, Ogonna. Wipe those tears. I will talk to them and also warn them not to talk to you in such manner next time.
If there will only be next time.
You and I know that there must be a next time.
Alright. But if they do that next time, I won't take it lightly with any of them.
Ogonna, wipe those tears, please. Smile for me. Biko boro mo jam. Boro mo jam.
Okay.
And I really want to figure out something. You don't have a brother?
Yes, I only have a sister.
Sister? Wow. So that simply means anyone that gets married to you automatically should be an heir to your throne?
Yes.
Exactly.
Hope you're enjoying the beautiful land of Ufeze.
Wow. Ufeze is a beautiful place. Very beautiful. But you know what? You are the most beautiful. You're the best that has ever happened to my eyes.
That's good. Thank you.
You're welcome. You see, I've discussed with my father to make it known to your father for him to fix a date when we'll come to pay your bride price.
Said bride price. Please.
Excuse me. Please, if I've said something wrong, pardon me. I don't mean to upset you.
Priscilla, please, I'm tired. I have to go back to the palace. Excuse me.
My prince, should we go there?
Should we?
Let's go.
Ndi ufueze geno ntị. Our king Igbo Amadi said I should inform everyone that the traditional wedding ceremony of his daughter, our princess, Princess Olamma, will be in the next 2 Eke market days. All dancing groups should get ready to display on that day. Honoro Karibe yao.
Let's go.
Ndi ufueze geno ntị. Our king, Igbo Amadi, said I should inform everyone that the traditional wedding of his daughter, our princess, Princess Olamma, will be in next 2 Eke market days. All dancing groups should get ready to display on that day. Honoro Karibe yao.
Let's go and set our trap, Jerry. This trap, I just got it new.
Let's hurry up, please.
No worries.
Surely our princess.
Okay.
Did you hear what he said?
I heard him very clear. That Princess Olamma. Hey, maybe you get married to me.
Okay. Surely, man, you know that.
Let's hurry up.
Finally. Iye na achọ n'uke enu ka m furu n'uke ana. Kai.
Ndi ufueze geno ntị. Our king Igbo Amadi said I should inform everyone that the traditional wedding ceremony of his daughter, Princess Olamma, will be in the next 2 Eke market days. All dancing groups should get ready to display on that day. Honoro Karibe yao.
Chai, my brother one Neka will get married to the princess and eventually become the future king of our kingdom. My mother needs to hear this. Let me hurry up and tell her.
My princess, Biko, stop crying and brighten up. We will certainly look for solution to end all this. I personally will do that.
Amaka. Yes, my princess. Please, you can excuse us now. Ebo, you know you are my best friend and my favorite maid. I don't know what to do. To tell you the simple truth, I don't love you. I don't. Since I met that boy called... My mind have not left there. I feel like being with him always. Please, Very help me.
As your best friend, I knew it.
Yes, Ibe, you are right. Yes, you are the best friend I've ever met. Thank you. You are the best friend and you will always be.
Stop there! Who are you both looking for here?
Please, don't harm us. We are looking for Mirigwe.
Yes, Mirigwe.
Follow us and don't make noise, no matter what you see. But this is a holy land and silent zone. Do you understand?
Yes.
You. Yes, you. Follow us.
You will call Mirigwe once we finish calling her. Mirigwe, Nemo, come.
Mirigwe, Nemo, Biao.
Mirigwe, the mouthpiece of our chi, I await you.
Yes, my princess, you are welcome to my home, the abode of our ancestral gods. My princess, I know you don't love him. Your heart is on that poor boy. Quiet! My daughter, quiet. I know everything. The gods allow me to know, for it is for the good of our land. Go and get me the dead leaf. Take it. On that day, when the wedding is ready, squeeze out the water and pour it into your mouth. And that will certainly come at the right time to wake you up. If anything happened and I did not come, you will die. And be warned, let no ear hear this.
Thank you, Miriwe. But how do I get water out of it? Because I know it will certainly get dried up before then.
Don't worry, my child, for the leaf you have is a spirit leaf. It does not get dry at all, forever. You may now go.
Thank you, Miriwe.
Ebuka, wait. Udo, that reminds me. What exactly happens at the palace yesterday?
Oh, I remember you were not there.
I wasn't though.
My brother, the princess fainted when she was about to give drink to Prince Iloka of Amoko Kingdom. If not for the sake of Mirigwe, the eyes of the gods. I wonder the kind of trauma and agony that the king and the entire village will be facing by now.
May our chi be praised. Thank God for Mirigwe.
Today, and Chidu, we have to go. Before this thing gets sour.
Let's go.
Leche, you need to cross back on now with the pot of water. You know it's too deep. So that you can do it and go and take the nuts.
Why not escort me more?
Leche.
We will, but just go. You almost
already home now.
Just go. Don't worry.
You can go. Leche.
That reminds me. Yesterday, what happened at the palace?
What happened?
As if you're not there. The way Princess fainted, Princess Olama fainted. And then the wedding between her and that of Prince Iloka of Amokwe just ended like that because she fainted. And thanks to our chi who made available Mirigwe at the exact time. Thanks to them for resurrecting her.
The other princess is down, and the other one was resurrected by Mirigwe. The whole kingdom is now in trouble because of the way things are going. Let's just sit and watch what our ancestors will do.
They have already showed us mercy. You can carry your water and go
so that we can go on.
This goat is almost there too. Who is Jonah that can't care for goat like this? Let me quickly go and help out and lose it before you die.
What are you doing with my father's goat?
I was just
so you want to see my father's goat, eh?
Ufeze. Please. I know Ogonna from childhood. Ogonna is my brother. And I know what he can do and what he cannot do. I know that Ogonna didn't steal any goat. Please, the great youth of Ufeze, please, temper justice with mercy.
He stole the goat. I saw him when he carried my goat.
You can see it. Look at the
evidence.
He stole the goat.
Wow! So this is the way you are choosing to end up your life. What is it that you lack in my house that you have to steal? If you remember, the gratitude of Ufeze, if you know what is due for him, give it to him. One year Jim Mano, 1 year Tuka. If possible, kill him.
I know you better me so much, but not an extent of selling me out to be killed for something I knew not about. I was only trying to help the girl that was caused so tired. At the point of death, I never knew my good deeds would turn to hit me bad like this. Maybe you could tell them I was never like that and I would never be like that. Maybe you could tell them I'm not like that.
So you wanted to bring shame to that great family of us. Hey, Ogonna, but you have failed. As I said earlier, if you know what you can do to harm this boy, do it to him. Give it to him.
Yeah.
Are you one nigga? Before I open my eyes, make sure that you have disappeared from this place. Leave now.
My princess. Please help us. Help Ogonna. They are accusing what he knew nothing about. Please.
Stop it!
Look at him.
I said you should stop it now. Please. You two of Ufeze kingdom. I know. You people are right. For the arts, he was caught. But let's temper justice with mercy. And give him another chance to live and make amendments. Please.
No. We must throw him to death.
Yes! We'll kill him. No, my people. You know, to err is human, and to forgive is divine. Please, let us not spill the blood of innocent son of this land. Please.
Let the poor boy be. Why are you taking laws into your hands? What has he done to you all? Someone who wants him to be stoned to death manipulated the whole thing so that he will be killed. Ogonna, from today onwards, I declare you the sacred being, for no mortal can harm you forever. My great people of Ufeze, go back to your houses, for it is the will of the gods, for the gods are wise.
And where do you think you're going to?
We are just going to Ebere's house to check on her mother who is not feeling fine. Just to know how she's faring.
Ebere, is that true?
Yes, my princess.
But sister, does it mean you don't trust me?
Trust. And why was I not aware of this?
My princess, I just don't want to disturb the royal household with it.
Does father and mother know about this?
Yes, I told them and they agreed.
The three of you. I don't know what you're up to, but make sure you come back on time.
You may go. Who is here?
Oh, my princess. Good day. This one that you visited our hut today, hope all is well.
All is well. I just came to check on Ogana.
Okay.
Is it him?
Yes, he is at the backyard.
Can I see him?
Anneka, who is that?
The fat Biko.
You will still know her.
Ebere, I'll be back. Please wait for me.
Hey!
Don't worry.
Thank you, my princess, for today. You are really true a God sent. And if not for you today, I would have been dead, probably by now.
Fear God, and the coast of our land forbid. Don't ever think a thing like that whenever you are with me. I did what I did not because you are a youth of this land or a good person. I did it just because I love you. Take it easy. How are you doing?
My princesses.
Hey! Timo! Ozugo, Biko.
Neche, why are you standing there now? Won't you go back to work so that you can finish it and go?
Because I'm very hungry and tired.
Why would you be hungry? Always talking about food.
Let me go and bring our food.
And be careful,
How are we sure that nature will not join under maidens and begin to play and forget that you sent her to go and get food?
It is her duty to do that job. Will you do it?
How are we sure that nature will not pour out that food while playing and coming back?
Let it be. Nature! Please be fast, oh, be fast!
Papa, I think it is high time. Let's go up and go and rest while nature brings the food.
Okay.
Can we?
Go on, go on, go.
Let's go. Let's go. You can keep it after.
You go while I finish.
Okay. Oh, Papa, hurry up.
Thanks be to the gods of our land. I wanted to bring this food. Here you are. This one belongs to Organ alone. Why the rest of you should eat from this one?
Okay.
Don't eat from this one because it is specifically meant for Organ alone.
Okay. Let me hurry up and take it to them. They were very hungry.
I'll soon join you.
Okay.
I'm not feeling too strong. Let me take my balance.
What is holding this girl now?
I told you, Papa, I want before
I'm very, very hungry.
You might have time.
Okay, see, look at her coming.
Better. We have been working here.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Yeah.
Mama said she'll be coming when she's done with her heart.
Okay, don't worry.
Nina said this one is for Organ.
This one?
And this is ours.
Okay. Open this. Then this is for Organ. Okay.
Dalu.
You. Okay. See what? Organ, come. No. Give me this one. You people should go. Join them.
Okay, Papa.
Join them because that one is. Let me
get one.
Because get mad American mad Osaka.
Take it
no,
easy.
must it be fast. I go up even mad eba. Now let's eat so that we can go back to work. If we still have strength to, if we don't have strength to, we go out.
Nature. Cut small from if they are. Use the other plate on the cut from there. Easy.
Nature.
Do not fight. Oh, it's okay.
I'll slap you.
You slap me.
That is so. Nature, come. Nature, come.
You know, Nature is not here. If not to eat, Nature won't fall.
Hey, see my own.
That's okay. That's all right. Nature, sit down.
Sit down here.
Nature, sit there.
I'll tell Mama when she's here.
That's okay.
Tell her now.
She will soon slap you the way she slapped you.
Mind yourself, mind yourself.
Remember, we are eating. We don't talk while eat.
Papa, is it not in Nature? Chop. The fool, but Mark gets back into nowhere.
Mama, thank you.
No.
Mama will slap you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Nine. It's Ramiri.
Papa. Papa. Nani. Papa. Nani. Papa.
Nature.
Nani.
Nature. Simon.
Nature.
Papa.
What is happening? Nani. See blood there.
Simon.
Nani.
What
is happening?
Nani.
Nani. Papa.
Hey.
Papa, don't beat it.
Nature. Hey. Somebody help her.
Somebody help. Nani.
One
He's the only man that gives me joy. My only sister.
Papa, wake up. Papa, wake up.
Alufeze ke ye merunu biko. One name. No. What's the man that go no? See my sister, she's flying lifeless here.